If you want to speak English fluently, then you have to focus on increase your listening ability, as a child can learn his native language only by listening. But unfortunately, we people do mistake that we only read maximum to learn that language. Only by reading we can be able to write it down, but if you want to speak it, we have to practice more and more to speak, and also we should have to practice more and more listening that language in their proper accent. If you want to listen it more, you can watch English movies with subtitles, you can listen podcasts, you can listen TED Talks, you can listen English news, because speaking is associated with listening, as child can speak only with listening ability. While reading books, it can only help us in writing, as we Pakistani can write many more only with the help of reading. But